Imam al-Mahdi is not a distant figure of the past. He is a living Imam, present and watching over us. But are we truly aware of him, or are we the ones who are absent? By nurturing our intellect and striving for spiritual growth, we awaken to a profound truth. Imam al-Mahdi's goals are our goals. His mission is our mission. The sixth Imam once advised his companion, "If you live to see the time of occultation, pray, 'O God, make me aware of yourself, for if you do not make me aware, I will not know your prophet. O God, make me aware of your messenger, for if you do not make me aware, I will not know your proof. O God, make me aware of your proof, for if you do not make me aware, I will deviate from my religion." Imam al-Mahdi is waiting for us to rise to the occasion. He is waiting for us to awaken, to prepare, and to become worthy of his reappearance. The question is, are we ready?